beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been kind of MIA lately, because life has just been a lot lately. I know it's giving messy, but I have a lot of deadlines that I need to meet. And on top of that, I just found out that I have mumps. It does my old age, like, and I know I went for the vaccine when I was young. I can recall me going for the vaccine. Um, they're so painful though, so painful. Hi, beautiful people. It's like a week later, almost a week later, since I made that intro. And I'm feeling so much better. Like, oh my gosh. Dead moms got the best of me, but at least I got to finish all my assignments and editing on time. Happy about that. But it's very much giving sleep deprivation. Like, yo, I am so exhausted. Like, I only got like 2 nights of real sleep because I had to meet my deadlines. And last night I didn't even sleep. I went to bed at like 6 a.m. in the morning because I had to finish my assignment. I'm so tired, guys. Yo. And then I have to complete another assignment this weekend. But oh my word, I'm first gonna clean my room because she's giving messy and oh, it's like my room looks like how I feel on the inside. But I need to get it done. Like, it can't be any stuff feel for me. And then I want to get to this bus class, but I don't think I'm gonna blow dry my hair or do anything with it. I just want to wash it and then just leave conditioner on it because it's going to take too much time and I have an assignment to complete. The goal is to clean this room for this vlog and just show you guys how I complete my assignment for Monday. Hopefully, I get some sleep. I pray that I get some sleep. I want to do some skincare also because, yeah, can you still fully, man? I know my room is very much giving messy, very much dear Magar. Like, this is the state of my room. Every time I have a lot of deadlines to meet and a lot of assignments in one week, like, or I have to study for tests, then the state of my room is like this. Well, such is life, I guess. Let's get into cleaning this room. No matter how many times I clean this table, it always gets filled with a lot of stuff. And maybe you could be wondering, why do I have so much tablets? I have chronic headaches. Like, I get chronic headaches almost every other day now. So I'm on a treatment to help me with it. It's why I have so much medication. And these headaches are the worst. I don't wish them on anybody. Like, I am hoping and praying like God delivers me from those headaches because it's literally taking a toll on me mentally. But now that my room is clean, oh, my mind is at ease. Like, yo, there's nothing better than having a clean room. It feels amazing. Every time I film myself folding my laundry, something always happens. Last time my phone shut down, and this time I ran out of space. Like, so annoying though. While I was cleaning my room, I finally got to watch Mia Culpa, and it's nogals nice. I watched a lot of reviews before I watched the movie, and I get why people are saying the movie isn't it. Like, it's very predictable. It's very much giving Tyler Perry a this, but I thoroughly enjoyed the movie though. Then I ate dinner, like a late dinner. My mom made dinner. I'm so grateful for my mom. I was so hungry that moment. And after I ate, I did some skincare. I washed my face and then I exfoliated and then I took my bath. This felt amazing. Like, this was the best part of my day. I totally enjoyed doing this. And when I was done bathing, I put on a face mask. This is a vitamin C face mask. I bought it at China Mall. I think it was 12 rand if I'm not mistaken. And this gets my face right every time I use it. Absolutely love this mask. You're gonna see how I look the next morning. It's giving glow, baby. Good morning, beautiful people. I didn't get to wash my hair yesterday, but I will definitely be doing that today. But first, I'm quickly just baking a few cakes for my mom's church, and then I'm gonna bake a cake for my bestie, and then I will get to this hair right here. Like, it definitely needs to be relaxed, but I'll do that like in the next vlog. Um, Still didn't get to my assignment. Any days to go in tomorrow. It's 6 p.m. But I think I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. I don't have a choice, but yeah, I'm gonna be sleep deprived again.
My mom made me some breakfast and she most definitely was a goodie. It tasted so good. And it gave me the energy I needed for the day. If you are maybe interested in how I made this cake, or if you want the recipe to these cakes, I will link it in the description box. This chocolate cake right here is most definitely my favorite cake. I absolutely love it. Like, I got this recipe from my cousin and it hits every time. This is how the cake turned out once my mom was done icing it, and it tasted good, of course. Now let's get to this hair. I wash my hair with the Organics Daily Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It's the organic aloe vera. Absolutely love the shampoo. As you can see, my hair is super thick. I'm going to condition my hair with the Organics NTA4 conditioner. Absolutely love the smell and the way it makes my hair feel so soft and moisturized. Absolutely love it.
I didn't finish the process of washing my hair, but definitely will finish it tomorrow. Currently in a class right now.
Then I'm going to follow it up with the olive oil deep conditioning pick by Palmer's. Absolutely love this conditioner.
It's very much giving. Ooh, it feels so nice and soft, like that organics conditioner can always do what it needs to be doing. Absolutely love this product, and it smells so good. Mm. Mm. But it smells amazing and it feels so much better. It feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry anymore. Thank the God. Now I'm totally able to blow dry my hair, but I don't think I'm going to flat iron it because the weather outside is very much giving gloomy, and tomorrow I have to go to the hospital. So I think I'm just gonna blow dry it.
And this is how it turned out. And then my bestie brought me some delicious food, and she most definitely was a goodie. When we were done at the hospital, we like to go and browse around, check what is new in the stores. This is my absolute favorite thing to do when I'm done at the hospital. It like literally just cheers me up.
Oh, the weekend bakes is giving, girl. Very much giving.
I always get excited just to go check out the scented candles. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.